Hey everybody, John here, Super Construction. Today we are arriving at a job site. We're going to check on some work, check on some progress that we've been making on this project here in Miami. Today we are on a job site. The building you see behind me, we did the inspection, engineering plans, and now we are underway with construction. Follow me as I show you some of the things and items that we've been working on. So basically we came to this project originally because of a 40-year recertification. And the owners, we built a good rapport with them. We started to talk to them about some of the solutions that we could offer them. Oh, right here, look, you can see a repair. This is the old, this is the new. Let's see if we could see anything raw. Let's see if we could find our team. Nope. So if you notice up here, that's one of the balconies that we need to repair. Look at the spalling. That's some of the areas that we're going to be coming around and repairing. We're going to be doing here, we're going to be restoring the facade, the balcony. So we found the team, they were in one of the units, and here we have some of the actual repair. Well, this is actually at the final stages when we're applying the stucco, caulking, and painting stage. But basically, this balcony had some structural damages and now it's been repaired. We try to keep these spaces clean so that there's no issues for the actual residents while we're working. Our team is finishing up. I'm gonna leave them so they can continue. Thank you.